Select the company you would like to add category or product. Then, click Setup. Click on the Product Master tab. There will be few sub-tabs underneath Product Master. Click on the Add Category. Add in the category of the product into the description box as illustrated. Once done, click Save. Click on the category saved earlier under the category. Now, add in the product name in the description column, and click Save. Next, to add in the product, go to the Product Master tab and click on the Add Product tab. Then, click New Product button. Add in the category in the product code, followed by a number at the MSC code. Once done, add in the model name and product description, add in unit and the unit of measurement. Then, add in the unit price and go up at the category to choose on the category. Then, click on Add button, click the product. Then click the green Add button, click Save and Close. You can view the products here. To edit the information, click on the pencil icon. To delete the information, click on the dustbin icon. These are the steps as illustrated. Thank you for watching.